Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to advertise your business on top websites or blogs without having to contact the website owners directly. This is going to save you a lot of time if you're trying to advertise your business on this top website and you are finding it difficult to reach the website owner. So right now, I want to start demonstrating everything to you in this video, and at the end of the video, you should be able to do the same thing for your business so that you can start advertising your business on the top websites and blog. But there's one important thing I want you to take note of. I encourage you to pay keen attention to everything I want to be talking about in this video from the beginning to the end. This might be a little bit advanced, but if you pay keen attention, you will get everything clearly and you'll be able to do the same thing for your business. So without wasting much of the time, let me quickly explain something before I dive right into the strategy for this particular video. So right now on Vanguard website, the first thing we want to do is that we want to look at the presence of adverts on the website. So it could be any blog, it could be any website. If you want to advertise your business on that website, the first thing you want to look at is the presence of advertisement on the website. And as you can see on Vanguard website, the first one we see here is an advertisement. Now, if you move your mouse toward the right, you see this advert is coming from Google, and that is the interesting thing we want to know before we proceed to the next step. Whenever you see that the advert is from Google, it shows that if you want to advertise on this website without having to contact the website owner, then you can go through the Google Adverts platform and you'll be able to serve your advert on the website. And that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So if I go to another website like Punch website like this, you can go ahead and look at it. You see that we have some adverts on the website. You can see this one, this is an advert, and this is also an advert by Google. If you go to another website like Linda Ikeji's blog, I will go ahead and look at it there. You'll see we have advert there. Well, this is an advert. You can see this is ad by Google. If I go to another website as well, this is gistmania.com. You will see I have advert here. This is ads by Google. So most of the top websites across the world, they are displaying advertisement from Google. And when you see this, it means that if you want to advertise on this website, you should be able to do so using Google advertisement. So you don't have to start struggling to contact the website owner before you can start advertising your business on their website. So that is what we want to do right now. So I will go straight to my Google Ads account and I will demonstrate to you how you can serve your advert on top blogs or top websites across the world without having to contact the website owners directly. So let's jump right in Google Ads, and I will start by clicking on create a new campaign. By the way, let me quickly mention that this is not a detailed Google advertisement course. So if you want to learn about Google advertisement from A to Z, I have different courses available on my website, and you can go straight to my website and take the 3-in-1 package that will help you to learn everything about Google Ads from A to Z. That being said, let's go ahead and start what we want to do for this particular video. So I will go ahead and click on plus new campaign, and I will start from the new campaign. So the first thing I want to do now is I want to create a campaign without good guidance. So I will choose display. Then I will go ahead and look at the conversion action that is available on this account. So I don't want to do anything with this. I will go to the bottom a little bit. Then I will click on continue. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to give this campaign a name. So let's give it a demo campaign. Top blogs. Let's give it that name and click on continue. So it's asking me if I want to continue from draft or I want to start new. I'll click on start new. So from here, I want to choose a location for this particular campaign. Now, if you want to advertise, you have the option to choose a location for your advertisement on Google Ads. So for this demonstration, I will just go ahead and select Nigeria. Then I can go ahead and look at more information there. But this is not a detailed training course like I said initially. So I'll go to the bottom a little bit and I will see more options here. So I'll look at more options here. If there's anything I want to set, I'll go ahead and do that. By the way, I'm not going to talk about any of this in this video. So I'll click on next. So right now I'm on the budget page. I'll go ahead and put the budget for this. Let's say I put $20. Then I'll go to the bottom a little bit. So the bidding strategy is set to maximize conversion. I can change it if I like. So let's go ahead and look at the available option here. We have conversion, we have the conversion value, we have the viewable impression, and I'll be able to select my bidding strategy directly. I will go ahead and select directly. Then I want to choose any of the options here. I have multiple options here. I'm going to click on the maximize click, and I want to set my maximum CPC as maybe $0.1. So let's leave it that, and then we go to the bottom a little bit, we click on next. So from there I arrive on the targeting page. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this confirmation because Google is suspecting maybe someone else is creating advertisement in my account. So I'll go ahead and pick my phone now to confirm that I am actually the one creating this campaign. So confirm. So I'm going to confirm on my phone. So 92. So confirmation done. So I'll click on next. So right now I'm on the ads page, but before arriving on the ad page, I can go back to the targeting page to add some targeting for this particular campaign. I think I will do that after creating the campaign. So let's go ahead and leave this for now and click on add. Then we can go ahead and enter information for the advert. Let's just go ahead and use my website, ojaswebacademy.com. Then let's enter business name, Ojasweb Digital. Let's go to the bottom a little bit. The logo is there. I will go ahead and enter information for this campaign. So the headline, the descriptions. What do we have here? Let's add some images. Let's add some images here. Just go ahead and let's use random images here. So let's add those 2 images. Save the images. Okay, this one is not acceptable. Save this. So we have the images. I think we have the logo there, the video. Let's just use one of the videos I recently uploaded here. So let's use this. Let's save it. The more information you have, the better for the advert. You can see here the ad strength. So it's incomplete at the moment because I've not added the text. So I'll go ahead and add the text. Run your ads on blogs. So I can add up to 5 headlines. I will just go ahead and add another one, long headlines. Learn how to advertise on top blogs without contacting the blog owners. So perfect. So I'll go ahead and add some descriptions. Demo tutorial on how to advertise on blogs. So what else? I don't want to have too much information here because this is just a demonstration campaign. So you see I've added basic information for these settings. I will go to the bottom, then I will go ahead and create this advert. By the way, let me mention that if I'm doing this for myself or I want to advertise for my clients, I'm not going to create my advert like this. I'm going to work more on the advert because that is very important in order for me to be able to get good result from the advertisement. So for this is a demonstration campaign. So I will go ahead and click on next. So after clicking on next, Google will reveal the campaign to check if there's any errors. Then it will ask me if the error is critical. I will have to go ahead and fix the error. Otherwise, I can go ahead and publish the campaign. So you can see right now, Google is saying your campaign can't run with maximize clicks and no additional targeting. Yes, I'm going to add targeting to the campaign. By the way, I actually want to do that after creating the campaign. So let's go ahead and see if we have to fix that right now. So right now we have targeting. So let's just go ahead and use a topic targeting for this. Let's just say art and entertainment, just for us to be able to create the campaign. Then we go to the next. So it's checking for the errors again. Perfect. So now I can publish the campaign. So Google have checked that the campaign is good to go, and then I'll click on publish campaign. So after publishing the campaign, then I will start showing you the advanced way to advertise on the blogs I showed you previously. The campaign has been created successfully. So I will go back to the all campaign, then campaigns, then I want to select the campaign I just created now. So this is the campaign I created just now. So I click on that campaign, then I want to go ahead and click on plus ad group. So I create a new ad group. Let me give this ad group a name, top blogs. By the way, you can do this for one blog, two blog, or as many as possible blogs. So if you know that you want to advertise on a particular blog, you can do this for just one blog. Or even if you want to advertise on a specific page on a blog, you can do this same thing and you'll be able to advertise on that particular blog. So I click on this now and I enter the name top blog. So I'll go to the next step, targeting. So this is the most important step in the whole process I want to show you in this video. So make sure you're paying attention to what I'm doing right now. So I click on add targeting. So from add targeting, I want to go straight to placement. So from placement, I have browse and I have enter. What I want to do now is I want to go ahead and enter the website I want to target my advert to. So I click on this. For example, let's go to Linda Ikeji. Let's copy this link, Linda Ikeji's blog. Let's come back here. Let's enter the paste. So let's look at what Google have so that we'll be able to select whether we want to advertise on those places or not. So we have about 341 websites. So let's look at the website. We have all of this. That is not what we want. Let's go ahead and remove all this www from the link, Linda Ikeji. Then let's look at it again. Now again, Google brings up a lot of websites. That is still not exactly what we want. So this is what you might be experiencing if you are trying to enter a website when you're trying to target by placement. But instead of that, what I will do now is I will go to enter the website myself. Then I will start pasting the website. If you want to advertise on a specific page on a website, what you have to do is just go to the website. Let's say, for example, I want to advertise about anything related to Rivers State. As you know, there's a problem going on in Rivers State between the governor and maybe a minister at the moment. So let's just go ahead and click on this, and I'll go ahead and copy the link for this particular article. You can see on this article page, you will be able to see advert. This is an advert from Google. This is an advert from Google. It shows that your advert can show on this particular article. Now I'll go back to the page here and I will paste that particular URL. I will add it to my placement. So I will see the placement has been added. I can go ahead and copy more places. Let's say Vanguard, and see if we'll be able to add this particular placement. So I click on this, I add it again. Then I've been able to add the entire website, which is Vanguard website. So you can start doing this and target any specific website you want your advert to show. I encourage you, don't add too many websites. If you realize that maybe a particular website is very, very okay for your business, then you can start adding some specific pages from that website and target your advert to those websites. So when you finish adding all of those locations, that you can click on done. So once you click on done, it means that you want your advert to run on these two websites. So Google will review the advert, and once the advert has been approved, the advert will start running on those particular targeting, which is the placement you have added to the campaign. By the way, there are more things to talk about because this is not everything about Google Ads. This is just the strategy that you can use to advertise your business on a specific website or blog, wherever you are in the world. So I encourage you, if you want to get the best result from this kind of strategy, go ahead and learn more about how to advertise on Google. And I have detailed course on how you can master Google advertisement and use it profitably for your business. So go ahead and click on the link anywhere in this video or visit my website www.ojaswebacademy and check out for the advanced Google ad training course, and you'll be glad you do so. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. Once again, bye for now.